Today, we have a thrilling sibling rivalry in the summer touring tire segment between the Bridgestone Turanza 6 and the Firestone RoadHawk. Firestone, positioned by Bridgestone as a mid-quality brand, faces off against its high-end counterpart. Will the Turanza 6's cutting-edge technology outshine the RoadHawk, or does the RoadHawk offer unbeatable value? Let the battle begin. In wet performance tests, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 and Firestone RoadHawk showcased intriguing results. The Turanza 6 had a shorter wet braking distance at 43.6 meters compared to the RoadHawk's 44.9 meters. However, we were surprised to find that the Firestone RoadHawk excelled in wet handling, achieving an average speed of 75.6 kilometers per hour, slightly better than the Turanza 6 speed of 74.7 kilometers per hour. In straight aquaplaning tests, the RoadHawk edged out the Turanza 6 with a slipping speed of 84.7 km per hour versus 84.5 km per hour. Moving to dry performance, the Firestone RoadHawk again outperformed the Bridgestone Turanza 6. The RoadHawk had a slightly better dry braking distance of 36.6 meters compared to the Turanza 6's 36.9 meters. Additionally, in dry handling, the RoadHawk achieved an average speed of 115.7 km per hour, surpassing the Turanza 6's 114.7 km per hour. When it comes to mileage, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 significantly outlasted the Firestone RoadHawk, with a wear rating of 34,400 kilometers compared to the RoadHawk's 29,850 kilometers. This highlights the Turanza 6's durability and longer lifespan. In terms of exterior noise performance, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 produces a slightly lower noise level at 74.1 decibels compared to the Firestone RoadHawk's 74.5 decibels. As for rolling resistance, the RoadHawk demonstrated lower resistance coefficient value at 7.7 compared to the Bridgestone Turanza 6 value of 8, indicating slightly better efficiency. So, who wins this sibling rivalry? The Bridgestone Turanza 6 excels in wet braking and mileage, providing a durable and reliable option for long-term use. On the other hand, the Firestone RoadHawk impresses with its better dry performances and rolling resistance, making it a compelling choice for budget-conscious drivers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.